Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Exams Made Simple. Let us see this video. This is a very good video and very important video for your APPSC and ASPSC Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector Examination AMVI likely to be conducted in this year. Let us see this, right? So let us before going into the video, let us understand that there is a rich mixture, chemically correct mixture, air fuel ratio. Mixture means here air fuel ratio, and also lean mixture. So when air is more and fuel is less, that is called your lean mixture. And when your air and fuel are in proper proportion, that is called chemically correct mixture. And when your fuel is more and air is less, that is called a rich mixture. So let us understand that. So actually you are chemically correct, okay, that is air and fuel in correct proportions is 14.5. So correct air fuel ratio, that is called chemically correct air fuel ratio. This is your 14 point, to be precise 14.5 is to 1, 14.5 parts air and fuel 1 part. But here actually engine operating conditions and various requirements differ from requirement to requirement, right? So let us see how this is going to show us what are the mixture requirements based upon the running conditions. So definitely you can expect one question minimum out of this particular table, because there are various requirements. Let us see one by one, right? So this is your 1:1 to 7:1. Actually let us understand that this is your air is 7 parts and 1 is fuel part. Okay, here 7:1 means 7:1 means this is air and this is your fuel. 7 parts air and 1 parts fuel. As we just came across, when air is less and fuel is more compared to 14.5, this is your rich mixture, excessively rich mixture. Why? Because it is far below your 14.5, right? So only let us see only the very important things about this particular table, right? For example, so 7:1 air fuel ratio 7:1. So this is a very much required for your cold starting. For your in your winter, you need to start your vehicle, but your vehicle does not start. So actually in these conditions you need this type of mixture, right? This is one cold starting, right? Now let us go to the 8:1. This is the limit. This is very important. So a question may be asked, what is the rich limit of combustibility, right? This is your 8:1. That is air is 8 parts and fuel is 1 part, right? This is however, now let us one more thing here is it is going to emit black smoke. In this case it is going to emit black smoke. So what about 7:1? It was required for what? Just how we have seen, that is your cold starting conditions. You need 7:1 A by F ratio. 8:1 is going to result in black smoke. Let us underline this. Let us not go to the details of all these things, but simply remember these ratios. Out of these ratios you can get one ratio question on this particular different types of ratios, air fuel ratios, and what are the running conditions, right? Next, this is 10 to 11. So the range is 10 to 1. That means A by F ratio 10:1 to 11:1. That means let us say 10 to 1. So this is your idling mixture strength. So when your vehicle is stationary and your engine is running without moving, so the requirements are 10 to 11. Please remember this. Now this is your rich mixture giving maximum power. Once again, this is a very good good thing. Here 12:1. So here maximum, what is the, a question may be asked, what is the maximum power air fuel ratio? 12:1, right? Next, this is of course average performance. This is also called chemically correct or stoichiometric air fuel ratio. This is your good average performance. Let us remember this. Next comes your maximum economy. That means you are consuming less fuel compared to the your air. So less fuel means naturally it is economy. It is going to result in economy, maximum economy. Let us underline this. This is 16 to 18. How much it is? 16 to 18. This is going to result in maximum economy. Underline this, maximum economy. And next comes your 22:1. So this is again once again. So what was the rich limit? So I think it was 8:1, right? Now it is weak limit. So let us see this. What is this? weak limit of combustibility, here actually burning does not take place because air is too much and your fuel is very less compared to 14.5. Once again, you have to remember that your chemically air fuel correct air fuel ratio or stoichiometric air fuel ratio is your 14.5 is to 1. So let us see this 22 is to 1. This is weak limit. What is weak limit? 22 is to 1. Right? What is rich limit? 8 is to 1. Right? So here what will happen? These all things are going to happen. What are the things? Danger of overheating because lack of air supply is more and fuel supply is less. Right? And all these things, it is going to result in all these overheating, burning of walls, spark plugs, and piston crowns, right? And proportionate reduction of fuel economy. So it is not going to result in fuel economy also, right? So let us summarize this, what we have learned in this video, right? Let us go to that. Yeah. Now first one, excessively rich mixture for cold starting. This is your cold starting. 7 is to 1. 7 cold starting. Yes. Next, this is your black smoke. Here, this is one. Or it is rich limit of combustibility. Alright. Idling requirements. When your vehicle is stationary or you have not started your or you have not brought your vehicle into first gear, let us say neutral, or your vehicle is not moving stationary, this is called idling mixture strength. This is, let us say, what is this, how much? It is 10 to 11. Idling 10 to 11. And next, maximum power. The air fuel mixture giving maximum power is this one, 12 is to 1. And this is your good average performance. This is your 14 to 7. 14 to 7. Air 14, air 7. Fuel is 1, of course. Right? Yeah. And next, maximum fuel economy. This is underlined. This is 16 to 18. Maximum fuel economy is going to result between air fuel ratio 16 to 18. And finally, weak limit. This is your weak limit. 22 is to 1. It is going to give all sorts of problems like all these things. What are these things? Spark plug, overheating and burning of walls. All these things are going to happen at your weak limit of the air fuel mixture. Okay, friends? Let us meet in a very good video, conceptual video, subject video very shortly. Thanks for watching. All the best.